Hello, my dear friends. So happy to see you. Look, it's spring. It's spring outside. The birds are coming back. Birds are coming back. Look, it's a bird. It's a bird. Hello, bird. It's a swallow. Say it. It's a swallow. Hello, swallow. Say it. Hello, swallow. Today we are painting swallows. Just take a look at them. Such cute birdies. Are you ready? Then let's go. Come with me. So you will need a piece of paper, a paintbrush, 2 felt tips, red and black, a black paint, a white paint, a knife, 2 potatoes, a slice of a cucumber, a fork, a plate. So that's it. Let's get started. Okay. First of all, we need to cut the potatoes in halves. So if you take a look, this half is shorter, this one is longer. Take a longer half and a felt tip and draw a tail. Somewhat like this. Now you need to cut it out. This is what you get. It's the tail. Take a plate and black paint. Using a brush, put some paint on the plate. Take a piece of paper. Draw a line. Take a potato and a fork. This is the body. Now dip it in paint and put it on paper above the line. Lift it. Good. Dip it in paint and put it on the paper like this. Good. Now we have 4 bodies. Put the body away. Take the tail. Okay, again, dip it in paint and paint the tail. Good. Okay, stamp it. Fantastic. Put the tail away. Take the white paint. Put some white paint on the plate. Take a slice of cucumber. Dip it in paint. Now let's paint tummies. Swallows have white tummies. Again, dip it in paint and stamp. Good. Dip it in paint and stamp. Good. Take a brush. Let's paint eyes. Take some white color and paint a dot. Let the picture dry. Okay, after that, take some black paint. Good. What are we forgetting? Of course, that's the beak. Take a red felt tip and draw a triangle and color it. Such lovely swallows, just take a look at them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.